What's up, guys? Frankie Type Bar here. We're back with the next episode of the wagon, and we got the bags in. As you guys seen, if some of you guys have noticed, at the end of that clip, we kind of left a little teaser for the next video of me on Bag Riders ordering a set of bags. So they came here super fast. Went with airlift. Supposedly that's like the best one. That's top dog in the air industries. I don't really know because I never really had air before. But so yeah, I went with airlift performance. And today we're dropping it off to a buddy of mine. His name's Jared the Bar. I actually never met him, but a buddy of mine recommended him. So I kind of want to do a quick unboxing. I was getting too excited and I started throwing everything in the wagon, getting ready to go over there. So I guess we'll get right into it. This is some arms that I needed to get it lower. I'm not really gonna unbox this. It's just some like control arms or something like that. This is the only box that I actually did open beforehand because I was getting excited, but luckily I didn't know to open those. So here we have a nice 5-gallon tank, I think it is. All polished. Yeah, nothing special. You guys know what that looks like. Hopefully Jared can find a nice spot to put them. I've seen some of his airbag setups and they look really nice. Let's get into this one. This looks like the fun box. Actually, look at my stuff as it is. What is this, like instruction manual? Yeah, it's a wire and diagram. A little book bag from Bag Riders? That's dope. What's in here? A little bit of goodies. What is this? Oh, it looks like some decals? That's awesome. I honestly didn't even expect that. Bag Rider decals. One thing I did know is when I was doing the website, they actually like your size for a t-shirt. So I knew it was gonna come with a t-shirt. That's actually a really nice plate for him. That's clean. A little lanyard? Wow, Bag Riders hooked it up. Looks like this is probably this is like it's like the compressor itself and some wiring. I'm actually not going to fully open this, but it looks like it's got the lines, fittings, wires. Thanks, camera guy. And then I believe this one should be the manage system. Then I'll probably just open one of those airlift boxes to make it like short and simple for you guys, because this isn't really an unboxing video. It's more or less a install video. The box looks super clean. Nice airlift box. That thing's nice. It's real sleek. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is like I'm assuming like kind of something like a distribution block or you know, for the ECU, because it has a nice computer on. It's got a big connector. So this is probably the ECU, so how it distributes the air and stuff like that. All right, then I guess I'll unbox one of these struts so we can see what those look like. I know there's like different types of like struts for the air. I remember someone was talking about it. I don't remember the exact name for the two kinds that there are. Like I said, I'm fairly new in the air world because I'm very much anti-air, I guess you would say. But for a daily, I don't mind it. And I know there's probably gonna be people commenting saying like, oh, well, you could track people on bags, track their car, da da da. It's just not for me. I've always been a coilover guy, like on that thing. Okay, got some hard line in there too. There's still braided line in there. Some more stickers with the this application guide thing. They really package this like A1. Alright, so we got the coil now. They look really nice, real clean. Should probably get this razor blade away from it. Nice. This looks really good. I know there's like ones, I forget what they're called, but it has like a kind of like a ball. Like they look like two like ball kind of things up top, as opposed to this one that's like a sleeve. I personally don't know the difference. I think one ride's like smoother or something like that. But Airlift sent me this, and I guess that's the proper application. All right, so I guess let's get this all back in, box it all up, and get over to Jared's and have him get busy on this install. All right, guys, so we made it here to Jared's house. He's the man, supposedly. We're gonna see about that. So supposedly he's the man when it comes to bags. I mean, he's got some pretty cool stuff in his driveway. A lot of mutual friends that he's bagged their cars and did a great job. So he's taking the baby for a little while, take care of her. And yeah, I guess we're gonna hand over one of these cameras to him so that he could get a little quick time lapse of the progress of it. And he's gonna give me a call when it's all done. So thank you, Jared, appreciate you. And let's get home. so we're going to pick up the tsxwagon. Jared just finished the bags. He shot me a text. Pretty excited, but at the same time, I kind of bummed out because he informed me that I think the air management system or something, like the manifold actually, it was the manifold. Something was wrong with it. It was throwing an error code, and obviously with like everything going on with like the coronavirus stuff and you know, being the weekend, no one's at airlift. We're gonna have to get a replacement one, but he said it's still like usable, like I still manually air up and air down. But I'm excited to see it, so at least I get to see the full function. We're shooting over there now. So cameraman, let's get on the road. Guys, we just pulled up and I kind of just seen like a little peek